Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Honda Ridgeline Sport versus Trail Sport. We'll explore how these two popular trims stack up, from their core features to their specialized capabilities. The Sport offers a fantastic starting point with great value, while the Trail Sport elevates the experience with enhanced off-road readiness. Both models come equipped with a powerful 280 horsepower V6 engine and a robust 5,000 pound towing capacity, ensuring strong performance for your adventures. Under the hood, both the Sport and Trail Sport boast a capable 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. While the Sport is ready for everyday adventures, the Trail Sport truly shines off-road. It features an exclusive off-road tuned suspension designed for rougher terrain and comes equipped with durable all-terrain tires. Plus, an underbody skid plate offers crucial protection for vital components when tackling challenging trails. Inside, the Ridgeline Sport offers comfortable cloth seating and a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stepping up to the Trail Sport, you'll find a more distinctive cabin with leather-trimmed seats featuring eye-catching orange stitching and matching ambient lighting. Both models prioritize comfort and safety, providing tri-zone automatic climate control and the comprehensive Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies for peace of mind on every journey. When considering pricing, the Ridgeline Sport typically starts around $41,645, making it an excellent choice for those seeking capability and value. The Trail Sport, with its specialized off-road enhancements, begins at approximately $46,875. Ultimately, your ideal Ridgeline depends on your priorities, everyday utility or rugged trail performance. For more great deals, and to find those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.